Are you tired of store-bought veggies and fruits making you sick with their poisons and pesticides? Yeah, me too. Let's turn this patch of dirt into a thriving garden paradise. But first, we need to clean up a little debris. This has been piled up for several months. And actually, since the beginning of all of these projects in my backyard, I've been piling up trash and debris on one side of my home for 14 months. And truth be told, I've actually had to rent 6 dumpsterfuls to get rid of it. But this is going to be my last go-around before we start this amazing project. And you see this debris? This was scary. The whole time I thought there was going to be snakes under this, and I thought I was going to have a few surprises. But I actually didn't. My dumpster arrived, and it was time to get busy. But this project is going to be my final backyard project for this year, as I'm preparing to move into the house to do all complete renovations. Whew, thank gosh, I want to get out of this sun and this heat. But while I'm removing this debris and loading up, I actually need your help. You see, I don't usually offer video teasers like this one, but I needed to get some advice from you. Before I level this ground out and start getting it flat, I came up with several options for designs. And I need you to tell me which one you like best in the comments below. It's really going to make a difference for me and help me pull the trigger on how to move forward. And here are the design options that I came up with. The first one is going to be option A. Pretty sweet. I like it. It's unique. B, a little more straightforward, but does the job. C, a little tropical. And D is a little bit more modern and clean. But I don't know which one is best. So please, like I said before, comment below which one you want to see me build, and this video will be coming very soon.